Do you want to get paid? There's a strong lure of money about affiliate marketing for sure. When people get involved, they're not doing it for kicks, they're doing it to get paid. Unfortunately, some or maybe many think that it goes like this: sign up, build a list, promote a product, get a sale, ka-ching, money in the bank. The time frames for the first 5 steps can vary from weeks to years. But once that ka-ching has sounded, it doesn't mean that you'll automatically see money in your bank account within the day. Most affiliate networks have a threshold amount that you need to meet before they pay out. For example, $300 paid at the end of the month. Why would they do that? Well, I guess some of it could do with the incentives, making sure you want to keep working away until you reach that threshold amount. However, my feeling is it's to do with cash flow management. Affiliate networks have their own operating overheads. In any business, online, bricks and mortar, etc., cash flow is king. You need to keep that in mind when you're building a business. It's not hard to find stories of large businesses, and I mean large businesses, going into liquidation while having full order books simply because of cash flow management. Therefore, before you look at promoting any product from a particular affiliate network, make sure you are fully aware of their payout terms and conditions. For example, what is the payout threshold and how often do they pay, e.g., monthly?